Have you ever wondered why some people earn $3,000 a month and still struggle to pay their bills, while others earn the same amount, invest consistently, and become financially free? Here's the surprising truth. It's not because they make more money. It's because they follow a completely different set of money-ost. People think financial success comes from earning more. But if that were true, professional athletes, lottery winners, and celebrities would never go broke. Yet every year, thousands of high-income earners lose everything. Why? Because income doesn't create wealth. Habits do. Today's video isn't about becoming cheap. It's about becoming intentional. These are the minimalist money rules that quietly help ordinary people save more, invest more, stress less, and build long-term wealth. Some of these rules may completely change how you think about money forever, so stay until the end, because the final rule could save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Before we begin, let's clear up one common misunderstanding. When people hear the word minimalism, they imagine living in an empty apartment, owning only 10 shirts, or never buying anything fun. That's not what financial minimalism means. Financial minimalism is simply removing the things that don't improve your life, so you have more money for the things that truly matter. Think about this. Most people spend years paying for subscriptions they never use, buying clothes they rarely wear, upgrading phones that already work perfectly, purchasing expensive items just to impress people who barely notice. These tiny decisions slowly steal thousands of dollars from their future. Imagine investing that money instead. Over 10, 20, or 30 years, those small decisions could become hundreds of thousands of dollars through compound growth. That's why wealthy people don't just ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "Is this actually worth it?" And that brings us to the first rule. Rule number 1. Think in cost per use. Here's a question. Which is cheaper? A $30 pair of shoes or a $200 pair? Most people immediately choose the $30 option. But let's think differently. Suppose the cheap shoes last only 6 months. After 3 years, you'll buy 6 pairs. That's $180. Now imagine the expensive shoes last those same 3 years. You've spent only $200. The difference is tiny, but you've enjoyed better quality, better comfort, and wasted less time replacing them. This is called cost per use thinking. Instead of looking at the purchase price, you divide the price by how many times you'll actually use it. Imagine buying a $1,200 laptop. If you use it every day for 4 years, that's about 1,460 days. Your cost is less than $1 per day. Now compare that with a $200 jacket sitting in your closet that you wear only twice. That jacket actually costs about $100 every time you wear it. Suddenly, the expensive laptop becomes the smarter purchase. Minimalists don't automatically buy the cheapest option. They buy the option that delivers the highest value over time. Before buying anything, ask yourself 3 questions. How often will I use this? How long will it last? Does buying better quality actually save money in the long run? These 3 questions alone can completely transform your spending habits. Rule number 2. The replacement test. Here's another powerful rule. Whenever you want to buy something, ask yourself one simple question. If I didn't already own this, would I buy it today? This is called the replacement test. Let's say you own 5 watches. You see a new one online. It looks amazing. Before clicking buy, ask yourself, if none of my current watches existed, would I spend $500 on this one today? If the answer is no, you don't actually want the watch. You just want the excitement of buying something new. The same rule applies to clothes, shoes, furniture, electronics, and even cars. Many purchases happen because we're bored, not because we truly need them. Retail stores understand this. That's why they constantly advertise limited time offers. They're selling emotions, not products. The replacement test helps separate real needs from emotional impulses. Try this challenge. The next time you want to buy something expensive, wait 72 hours. If you still genuinely want it after 3 days, it might be worth considering. But most of the time, the excitement disappears, and you'll be grateful you kept your money. Remember, every unnecessary purchase steals money from your future investments. You're not just spending dollars, you're spending opportunities. Have you ever bought something online only to regret it a few hours later? You're not alone. Most impulse purchases don't happen because we need something. They happen because buying has become too easy. Think about it. With just one click, you can order almost anything. No thinking, no waiting, no second opinion. That's exactly why minimalist investors intentionally create something called spending friction. Spending friction means making it slightly harder to spend money. Just difficult enough to give your brain time to think. Not impossible. For example, instead of saving your credit card on shopping websites, remove it. Now every purchase requires you to find your wallet and enter the card details. That tiny inconvenience gives your brain a chance to ask. Another powerful trick is the 24-hour rule. Do I really need this? So far, we've covered some of the most powerful minimalist money rules that can completely change the way you spend, save, and invest. But here's the thing, the best lessons are still coming. In Part 2, we'll cover how to define your enough number, avoid the silent trap of lifestyle inflation, learn why wealthy people always buy assets before liabilities, and discover the money habits that quietly build long-term financial freedom. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss Part 2. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which money rule has already changed the way you think about money? I'll see you in Part 2.